Good morning, students. Today we are going to understand next two sums from accounting ratios and analysis. Sum number 8. From the following information, calculate current ratio and liquid ratio. Then students, first of all, we have to calculate current ratio. So, the formula for current ratio equals to current assets divide by current liabilities. Then we have to find out current assets as well as current liabilities. Current assets and current liabilities. Stock 3 lakh, it is current asset. Then debtors 2,50,000. We have put it inside because opposite side bad debt reserve is given, so we will deduct it from debtors minus bad debt reserve 20,000. 2,30,000. Then cash and cash equivalent 1,20,000. Cash and cash equivalent 1,20,000. Next, furniture is non-current assets. Bills payable is current liabilities, so we will put it in the heading of current liabilities. Bills payable 60,000. Then short-term loan 40,000. Next, bills receivable 75,000. Current assets. Next, expense paid in advance 60,000. It is current assets, expenses paid in advance 60,000. Next, creditors 2 lakh, current liabilities, and outstanding expenses 50,000. Then we will make total 3 lakh plus 2,30,000 plus 1,20,000 plus 75,000 plus 60,000. The total will be 7,85,000. Then it is total current assets. Same way, we will make the total of current liabilities 60,000 plus 40,000 plus 2 lakh plus 50,000. Total will be 3,50,000. These are current liabilities. Then in the formula we will put the values 7,85,000 divide by 3,50,000. We will get 2.24. Then we can write this value like this: 2.24 ratio 1. Then it is our answer for current ratio. Then we have to find out liquid ratio. Formula for liquid ratio equals to liquid assets divide by current liabilities. Liquid assets equals to, the formula for liquid assets equals to current assets minus stock minus expenses paid in advance. So current assets are 7,85,000 minus stocks value is 3 lakh minus expense paid in advance is 60,000. 7,85,000 minus 3 lakh minus 60,000, then we will get 4,25,000. These are liquid assets, and you can find out liquid assets by this way also. You have to make total only liquid assets, and in liquid assets debtors, two lakh 50,000 minus BDR 20,000, outer side 2,30,000. Cash and cash equivalent, one lakh 20,000, and bills receivable 75,000. You have not taken to the values of stock and expense paid in advance in the calculation of liquid assets, then you will get the total of liquid assets. The total will be same as above, 2,30,000 plus 1,20,000 plus 75,000, then you will get 4,25,000. Then put these values in the formula. Liquid assets 4,25,000 divided by current liabilities. We have found out before 3,50,000. 4,25,000 divided by 3,50,000, we will get 1.21, and after that 1.21 ratio 1. This is the final answer for liquid ratio. एंड इसी के साथ कंप्लीट होता है स्टूडेंट्स हमारा सम नंबर 8. अब करेंगे नेक्स्ट सम नंबर 9. फ्रॉम द फॉलोइंग इंफॉर्मेशन ऑफ एच लिमिटेड calculate debt equity ratio. The formula for debt equity ratio equals to non-current liabilities divided by shareholders funds. So we have to find out non-current liabilities. First, non-current liabilities equals to long-term liabilities plus long-term provisions. Long-term liabilities 8 lakh plus long-term provisions 4 lakh. 8 lakh plus 4 lakh means 12 lakh. Then we have to find out shareholders funds. shareholders funds equals to, here equity share capital is given, preference share capital is given, and debit balance of profit loss account is given. It is debit balance of profit or loss account, so we will deduct it from the total of equity share capital and preference share capital. So we will write here like this: equity share capital plus preference share capital minus debit balance of P&L account. Equity share capital's value is 8 lakh, preference share capital's value is 2 lakh minus 50,000 debit balance of P&L account. 8 lakh plus 2 lakh minus 50,000, we will get 9 lakh 50,000, and this value is shareholders funds. Then we will put the values in the formula. Non-current liabilities 12 lakh, shareholders funds 9 lakh 50,000. 12 lakh divided by 9 lakh 50,000, we will get 1.26. Then 1.26 ratio 1. This is our final answer. और इसी के साथ कंप्लीट होता है स्टूडेंट्स हमारा सम नंबर 9। स्टूडेंट्स नेक्स्ट टाइम मिलेंगे नेक्स्ट सम्स के साथ। स्टूडेंट्स आपको हमारा ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो प्लीज लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब टू सपोर्ट अस। थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स।